Hello, welcome to my tutorial channel. Now, please subscribe. Thank you.
Hey! Where do you think you're going?
Can I go into the club?
Nah, I don't think so. Your attire is not appropriate for this venue.
Oh, crap. Not this again.
Better attire or no entry. Move along.
What is this thing? Can I give it a try too?
I'm sorry, sweetie, but it stopped working a long time ago.
What? Just send it to Mike to fix it.
Can't do. It overheated and fried the battery. I keep it here as a decoration for the shop. But if you find the battery, I can let you test it out.
Hey, Janice. I need an outfit that I could wear at the strip club.
Oh, sweetie, I'll need a favor from you first.
What could that be?
So, there is a ruby at the refining factory that I really need. But the place is packed with guards, and they keep steady watch on it.
You think I could talk to them?
Not a chance. This is something that can only be achieved with maximum sneakiness. That's why I need you, sweetie. It's simple, babe. You just go to the factory, sneak in, and grab it. It's on the top floor in the safe. All you need is my skeleton key and the safe will pop right open.
Oh, that's so cool!
So, could you go in and get it for me? I'll reward you with an outfit that I'm sure you'll like.
Oh yeah, sure.
Once you hand it over to me, the outfit will be all yours.
Okie dokie. Hey, Janice, I'm back. Guess what?
What's up, darling?
I got the ruby!
Great. Here's your new outfit. Enjoy!